Guys, Running Kimono here. So today's video is sponsored by The Coldest Water. Well, I have been using their stuff for the last 2 years, and I gotta let you guys know it's quality stuff. It has a lifetime warranty. It will keep your water cold for up to 36 hours. And you know, sometimes when you got your hot snow boots on and a parka and you're running from store to store to store, if you're from the Midwest, you probably understand what I'm talking about. It's a hot job, especially when you're running around extreme couponing. You get thirsty, and it's always nice to have something like this with you in the car, so you're not, you know, getting like $2 or $3 to death on drinks. I hate paying for water, so I love this. It's quality made, and they even do custom engraving. Look how adorable that is. If you guys are interested, I have a 10% off coupon code in the notes. Check it out. It's code Kimono. And they also have monthly giveaways for their merch, completely free to enter. So also check that out. Coldest Water is such a great company. I have two little deals to share with you today. We have a deal over at Walgreens if you want to do it with the Dominos gift cards. And I finally did this today and it worked beautifully. So I'm going to talk about the mechanics of this deal. Then over at Meijer, we have more free popsicles and 25-cent paper towels. I think I got a little bit carried away with that today. This first deal is really easy. You're going to grab two of these Domino's gift cards. They have a little like shelf with all the gift cards. It's near the greeting cards at the front of the store. Grab two of these, $15 on each card. And then you're going to grab one of the Walgreens gift cards and put $10 on it. So the cashier scans your store card, puts $15 on each, puts $10 on this one, and then when it comes to time to pay for this, you will pay $30 for $40 of gift cards. $2.15, $1.10, that's $40, and you're only paying $30. So it's $10 of savings right there. These make excellent stocking stuffers, and what extreme couponer doesn't need one of these? So make this happen. This is taking place right till Saturday, which is the 19th. Okay guys, and just to talk about this, so I posted something on both my Instagram and YouTube, the community tab, but I know not everybody goes to either one. If you go to your Walgreens digital coupons folder, go under the household tab. So hopefully you can figure that out, or somebody in your house can point it out to you. It's pretty easy. That's where I found it. I found 4 of these. 2 10 off of 30s and 2 5 off of 25s. We will have to treat this like an IVC coupon because it is a Walgreens coupon, but it's some significant savings to shop there next week. And this is valid from the 17th to the 23rd. So if you wanted to try and use them today, they're not activated yet. I must have had 20 people who wrote either on Instagram or here saying, oh, this is garbage, blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't start till the 17th. So unless you have a time machine to jump into the future, it's not activated till the 17th to the 23rd. How I'm getting that information is if you go on a desktop computer and then go into the fine print, that's where it'll all pop up. If you're doing this through an app or you're doing it through your phone, the information isn't there, but a good old-fashioned desktop computer or laptop or whatever you have, that's where we're finding all the information. So this is for their new pickup or curbside, but last time these rolled around, you were able to do it in store. So on Thursday, I'm sure a couple people will go and try it out, and that's what we'll figure out the next 2 weeks, how we can get these coupons or these boosters to work into play for us and what to do with it. And I will have more information and more matchups on the best way to use these and how to save the most amount of money, because I know a lot of you really want to get in on some deep savings, and we will figure it out. And so just brace yourself. More information coming soon. Again, this doesn't start until the 17th. Okay guys, so the next store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is in the Midwest, and this is a great one. So this is with the company Popsicle and the Fetch Rewards app. These popsicles are $4.99 a pop, so you'll buy 2 of them and pay $9.98. And then the Fetch Rewards app, if you go to their discoveries page, bottom left-hand corner, they have free items for this. You can get the item completely for free. You just have to pay for it, and then they'll give you back the amount in points. So I had You were able to do this 3 times. I did it once on Sunday, and then I went back today and did it twice, and I got the full amount, which was $9.98. I wanted to try these because I didn't want to buy the full 3 in case I was like, I don't really like it, or you know, sometimes you can be very picky with popsicles. I'm certainly that way. But this one, it's called Strawberry Blueberry Banana Swirl, and it is fantastic. So I would absolutely do this deal sooner than later. My Fetch Rewards app said that it was expiring in, I believe 2 days. So people are really going hard on this because free popsicles are the best kind of popsicles. So if you have a Fetch Rewards app, check the discoveries page, bottom left-hand corner, see if you have it in your gallery. And if you have the free item one for this popsicle, you can buy 3 on 1 receipt and then get back the full amount for the 3 of them. It's just a little Christmas surprise and nothing greater than that. And nothing greater than that. And if you have not signed up for this app, sign up today so you can start getting in on some of these freebies. I have the sneakiest suspicion later this week or maybe next week, there will be more freebies from this app, and these free popsicles are amazing. Okay, so the next little deal at Meijer, and I just kind of fell into this one. These paper towel rolls, it's called a kitchen towel roll. They are from this company called Empress. And I was like, where are these made? They're actually made in Canada. So I'm like, oh, that's kind of interesting. So 4 of them, they're usually 50 cents each, but if you buy 4 of them, they're 25 cents each. So for 4 of them, that's $1. If you have that, you remember last week we were getting the Tresemme, you would buy 2 of them and get back a $4 on your next order, anything in the store. You know what I would do if I were you? I would grab 16 of these, that's exactly $4, and then surrender your $4 on your next order, and you would just pay the tax. And how great is that? And that's exactly what I did. See here, guys, I have 16. I just used a $4 on your next order, and I didn't even have to, I just had to pay the tax. I mean, it was really fantastic. If you have a bottle deposit that you can do, or just, you know, you might have bought a basket of like some goods and you might have one on your store card. That's how I would do this deal, so you're not really feeling it out of pocket. But 25 cents for a roll of paper towel, and you know, it's not the chintziest one. I've never heard of this company before, but they just have a ton of them, and there wasn't a limit or anything at my store. And since we are doing a basement renovation, I thought this is something that we definitely could use. And 16 for one, you know, on your next order at the store. Absolutely, I'll do it for that. So good luck with this one, guys. And 25 cents per paper towel, it doesn't get any better than that. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to enter their little giveaway. The link is in the notes. To win some coldest water merch. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.